Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. Welcome to my channel Live Biochemistry. In this video I am going to talk about how to make quiz using the Telegram bot. So all we are using this Telegram application nowadays. So what we have to do, just type quiz bot. So this quiz bot is seen, right? And in that you have to type for the new quiz. Okay, so just you type slash and new quiz. So this is, then it will show you, let's create a new quiz. First send me the title. So you have to write the title. Suppose I am writing amino acid chemistry and metabolism, right? So once you type the title, then it will show good. Now send me a description. So you can write the description like 5 MCQ, 5 marks. Okay, anything you can write in your description. So this is okay. Now you can create the questions. Like first question here I am writing kynurenine is formed from metabolism of, so options will be like tyrosine, tryptophan, cysteine, glycine. Okay, and then you have to write the correct answer. You can add option up to the 10 option you can add. So you have to select the correct answer and go to, and you can also write an explanation to this quiz. Okay, so if you want to anything like kynurenine is formed from tryptophan, or you can anything, yeah, you can write anything like good, very good. This is the first question that is created. Now you can again type glycine is useful in all of following except, so option will be like purine synthesis, creatine synthesis, spermine synthesis, yes, spermine synthesis or heme synthesis, and then you have to write the correct option. Okay, so spermine, polyamine, glycine has no role, right? And you can write, okay, explanation like spermine is polyamine, like this. Okay, and then create. Alternatively, what you can do, you can go back, and if ready-made questions are there, suppose in my one channel Live Biochemistry, this is my Telegram channel, right? And I have already made some questions. So suppose I am selecting this and go to the forward and forward to the quiz board, right? So it is now added, and you can write the correct answer like carcinoid syndrome. This is how the question can be added. Okay, one more question I am adding. So I am going to my channel Live Biochemistry. I am adding one more question. So I have to go to the forward and add to the quiz. Okay, and I have to select the correct answer. So you can see 4 questions are selected. So there is option, you can undo by typing slash undo, and if you are done you have to type slash done. Okay, if you type slash, you will get option like if you want to create new quiz, there is new quiz. If you show your quizzes, then type this. If change the language, then you can type this lang command. If you want to stop, then you can slash stop. You can help, get help. Okay, so there are many options. At present I am just, suppose I am selecting DONE, done. Okay, and so the quiz is done. Now you can select the timer from 30 to 30 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 30, 1 minute. Okay, suppose I am at present selecting 15 seconds. So this second will be, this timer will be added. So for every question 15-second time is there. You can shuffle, right, shuffle the everything, and if you want to add, okay, so you can edit the quiz. So edit the questions and add a new question, right, and I'm type create question. Okay, 21st amino acid is option like ornithine, selenocysteine, pyrrolysine, or suppose citrulline. So, and you have to select the correct answer also and type, go to the create. You can see 5 questions are already added. Okay, you can add explanation, you can replace the question, you can delete the question. Okay, now if I am done, I have to go to the slash and done, done. Okay, so once it is done, you can see here I am done with this quiz. Okay, so view my quizzes. So you can see here, this is the link, right? So I have to share this link. Okay, so I have selected this and I can share this quiz, right? Here there is option for the quiz state. So student will get the timer, student will get the rank, okay, in the leaderboard, how many have selected the correct answer and in which time. Okay, so according to that they give the rank, okay, to the students, right? So suppose I am sharing the quiz, so share the quiz and you have to go to the group, any group. Suppose I am selecting my channel live biochemistry, right? So I am adding this, this group is added. Okay, so I am also sharing in my student group. Okay, right, and I am showing you how to start the quiz. So suppose I am click on start this quiz, right, and go to the start this quiz. You can see it is showing get ready for the quiz. So I will select I am ready. So 3, 2, 1, 0 and the quiz will start. Okay, so first question is serotonin is. So suppose I am selecting 5-hydroxytryptamine. So it is right answer. Glycine is useful in all of the following. So it is not useful in spermine. So it is correct. Right, kynurenine is formed from the metabolism of tryptophan. So again it is correct. And 21st amino acid is selenocysteine. Okay, you can see shuffle the question and options also. And 5-hydroxyindole acetic acid in urine is seen in case of carcinoid syndrome. So all the answers are correct, right? So this is how I can use, and you can see correct answer, wrong answer, missed question, timing. I have given all answer in 22 seconds and first place out of 1. So this is how you can get the rank even after using the quiz. So I hope this video is useful to you, and once you are using this, and you will know the different features of QuizBot. So this is a QuizBot in Telegram. I hope this video will be useful to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.